Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the wasted gun in Abyss Roblox. So if you're tired of cluttering up your inventory, the wasted gun is the ultimate utility tool in Abyss that lets you clear out the junk and keep your bags focused on those high value catches. So in here, I'm going to show you the exact NPC location and the requirements to unlock this must-have items. So first, the NPC is located in the Ancient Sands, and here you can use the teleporter. Once you're out, you can just go right to find Jeff. So this is his store, and on the right side, you'll see the wasted gun. So you can buy it for 17,500 cash, and if you have it, you can just click on yes to confirm and you'll get the wasted gun. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.